Welcome back to Everyday AI Made Simple. Today we're looking at how to use ChatGPT to move beyond vague resolutions. I'll show you how to prompt AI to help you break down a big ambition into specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound steps, also known as SMART goals.
Let's say we want to start exercising to get healthier and we want ChatGPT to help us with how to achieve that goal. Let's enter a prompt that says, I want to start exercising regularly to improve my health. Help me create SMART goals to do this. Let's see what we get. Okay, we've got some information here on how to build a SMART goal plan, starting with define your why, and it suggests that we make it more concrete than just improving my health. And it gives some suggestions for that. Let's say we want to increase energy and build strength. Then we have some example SMART goals. First one is build a consistent exercise habit with a SMART statement that says, I will exercise for 30 minutes, 4 times per week for 8 weeks, using a mix of walking, strength training, and stretching to improve my overall health and energy. Let's say we can do 30 minutes 4 times per week. Goal 2 says walk or jog 2 miles without stopping. I'm not into jogging, so I'm going to say walking, no jogging. Goal 3 says to do a 20-minute body weight or dumbbell workout twice per week. I'm going to say we'll do a dumbbell workout for 20 minutes 2 times per week. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a SMART plan and schedule based on these changes that I made. Let's see what we get. Okay, we've got the SMART goal based on the inputs we just gave. The specific statement is, I will follow a consistent exercise routine that includes walking and dumbbell strength workouts to increase my energy and build strength. See how that defines in one sentence what we agreed to do. Then the measurable part gets into how often and what type of exercising we're doing. The achievable part is about the time commitment we agreed to, and the relevant part states, this plan directly supports my goal of improving energy, stamina, and overall strength. As an example, if we said we wanted to increase strength but didn't include any strength training, we wouldn't have a relevant goal. And then we have the time-bound part. We're setting the expectation for how long it will take us to complete this plan. It has an ending so that we can review our progress at that time. Then we have our overall SMART statement that pulls it all together. Next, we have a weekly schedule for our 4 workouts. This is good, right? We have the days of the week, what activity we're doing each day, how much time we're doing it, what the focus is for each exercise session, and some notes about what we're doing in each session. Then we have some tips for success, like tracking progress, making tweaks every 2 weeks, a reminder to stay hydrated, etc. Then it asks if we want a sample dumbbell workout plan. I'm going to say yes to this. I like this. We have a warm-up plan, and then what exercises we should do with the dumbbells for our full body strength workout. Then it gave us a strength and core focused dumbbell workout. Then we've got a cool down session, and then there's a how to progress plan for the 8 weeks. You could continue to refine this, ask ChatGPT to add or move things, change it up until it fits your specific needs, or stop here if this plan works. Now you know how to use an AI tool to help you set SMART goals.
That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you next time on Everyday AI Made Simple.